AFCI protection is an important safety measure designed to help prevent electrical fires. AFCIs are designed to detect and interrupt electrical arcs, which are a common cause of electrical fires. AFCIs are particularly important in older homes, where the wiring may have degraded over time. Electrical arcing is a dangerous condition that can occur when electricity jumps between two conductors. This can happen due to damaged wiring, loose connections, or other factors. Electrical arcs can generate a significant amount of heat, which can ignite nearby flammable materials and start a fire. AFCIs are designed to detect these electrical arcs and quickly shut off the power to the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. There are two main types of AFCIs, namely branch or combination type and outlet branch circuit type. Branch or combination type AFCIs provide protection for the entire branch circuit, including the wiring and any devices plugged into the circuit. Outlet branch circuit type AFCIs provide protection only for the wiring and devices plugged into that specific outlet. The National Electrical Code or NEC requires AFCIs to be installed in many areas of the home, including bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, and family rooms. The purpose of this requirement is to protect people from electrical fires while they are sleeping or otherwise spending time in their homes. It is important to note that AFCIs are not a substitute for good wiring practices. AFCIs are designed to protect against electrical arcs, but they cannot prevent electrical fires caused by other factors such as overloaded circuits or faulty appliances. To ensure electrical safety, it is important to have your home's wiring inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. In addition to installing AFCIs, there are several other steps that can be taken to improve electrical safety in the home. Firstly, avoid overloading electrical circuits. Overloading a circuit can cause the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. Secondly, use extension cords safely. Extension cords should only be used temporarily and should not be used to power multiple appliances at once. Thirdly, replace damaged wiring immediately. Damaged wiring can be a fire hazard and should be replaced by a qualified electrician as soon as possible. Fourthly, keep flammable materials away from electrical outlets. Flammable materials such as curtains and furniture should be kept away from electrical outlets to prevent them from catching fire if an electrical arc occurs. Fifthly, have your home's wiring inspected regularly. A qualified electrician can inspect your home's wiring and identify any potential hazards. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission or CPSC should take all necessary steps to increase consumer awareness of AFCI protection. This could include requiring AFCIs to be installed in all new homes and businesses. This would ensure that more people are protected from electrical fires. Providing educational materials to consumers about the benefits of AFCI protection would help to raise awareness and encourage people to install AFCIs in their homes. Educational materials could include brochures, websites, and public service announcements. The CPSC should work with manufacturers to develop more affordable AFCIs. This would make AFCI protection more accessible to all consumers, regardless of their income level. One way to reduce the cost of AFCIs is to increase production. This would help to lower the cost per unit. Another way to reduce the cost of AFCIs is to develop new manufacturing techniques. New manufacturing techniques could help to reduce the cost of materials and labor. I urge the CPSC to consider these recommendations in order to improve electrical safety and prevent electrical fires. The NEC provides specific guidelines for AFCI installation and application. It's important to consult the latest edition of the NEC for the most up-to-date requirements. Some key sections of the NEC related to AFCIs include Article 210.12, which covers AFCI protection requirements, and Article 100, which defines the terms related to AFCIs. The NEC requires AFCIs in dwelling units to protect branch circuits supplying outlets or devices installed in dwelling unit kitchens, family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, parlors, libraries, dens, bedrooms, sunrooms, recreation rooms, closets, hallways, laundry areas, or similar rooms or areas. This requirement aims to provide comprehensive protection against arc faults in areas where people spend significant time. AFCIs should be readily accessible. This means they should not be obstructed by furniture or other items. The NEC also addresses the replacement of existing overcurrent devices with AFCIs. When replacing a standard circuit breaker with an AFCI breaker, it's important to ensure that the AFCI breaker is properly rated for the circuit. The NEC provides guidance on the proper selection and installation of overcurrent protection devices, including AFCIs. The testing of AFCIs is crucial to ensure they are functioning properly. AFCIs have a test button that should be pressed periodically to verify that the device is tripping and interrupting the circuit. The NEC requires that AFCIs be tested upon installation and periodically thereafter. When an AFCI trips, it indicates that it has detected an arc fault. It's important to investigate the cause of the trip before assessing the AFCI. The NEC provides guidance on troubleshooting arc faults and identifying potential hazards. If the cause of the trip cannot be identified or if the AFCI continues to trip, a qualified electrician should be consulted. The NEC addresses the use of AFCIs in conjunction with other safety devices, such as ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs. AFCIs and GFCIs provide different types of protection, and they may be required in different areas of the home. The NEC specifies the requirements for both AFCIs and GFCIs in various locations. The NEC includes requirements for AFCI protection in new construction and in existing homes when certain modifications or renovations are performed. These requirements help to ensure that homes are equipped with adequate arc fault protection. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that addresses all aspects of electrical safety, including AFCI protection. It is important to consult the NEC and other relevant codes and standards to ensure that electrical installations are safe and compliant. The role of AFCI technology is to mitigate the risk of electrical fires by detecting and interrupting dangerous arc faults. Arc faults are unintentional electrical discharges that can occur in damaged or deteriorated wiring, appliances, and extension cords. These arc faults generate heat, which can ignite surrounding materials and cause a fire. Traditional circuit breakers are designed to protect against overloads and short circuits, but they may not detect arc faults. AFCIs, on the other hand, are specifically designed to detect and respond to arc faults. They continuously monitor the electrical current and voltage in a circuit, and when they detect an arc fault, they quickly trip and shut off the power to the circuit. This prevents the arc fault from generating enough heat to start a fire. There are two main types of arc faults, namely series arc faults and parallel arc faults. Series arc faults occur when there is a break in a single conductor, such as a broken wire. Parallel arc faults occur when there is a short circuit between two conductors. AFCIs are designed to detect both types of arc faults. Combination AFCIs, which are the most common type, provide protection against both series and parallel arc faults. They also provide protection against ground faults and overloads. Outlet branch circuit AFCIs, which are another type, provide protection only against arc faults that occur in the branch circuit wiring. The benefits of AFCI protection are significant. AFCIs can help to prevent electrical fires, which can cause serious injuries, death, and property damage. They can also help to protect against electrical shock. AFCIs are particularly important in older homes, where the wiring may be damaged or deteriorated. In these homes, arc faults are more likely to occur. The cost of AFCI protection is relatively low compared to the potential cost of an electrical fire. AFCIs are typically installed by a qualified electrician, and the cost of installation varies depending on the size and complexity of the electrical system. However, the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your home is protected against electrical fires is well worth the investment. The effectiveness of AFCI technology has been demonstrated in numerous studies. These studies have shown that AFCIs can significantly reduce the number of electrical fires. For example, a study by the National Fire Protection Association or NFPA found that AFCIs reduce the number of electrical fires in homes by 50%. The CPSC, along with other organizations such as the NFPA and the Electrical Safety Foundation International or AFCI, have been working to promote the use of AFCI technology. These organizations provide educational materials and training programs to help consumers and electricians understand the benefits of AFCI protection. The NEC requires AFCIs in many areas of the home. However, there are still some areas where AFCIs are not required, such as kitchens and bathrooms. The rationale for this exception is that these areas are already protected by ground fault circuit interrupters or AFCIs, which provide protection against electrical shock. However, some experts believe that AFCIs should be required in all areas of the home, regardless of whether or not they are already protected by AFCIs. The future of AFCI technology is bright. As technology advances, AFCIs are becoming more sophisticated and more affordable. In the future, AFCIs may be able to detect even more subtle arc faults, and they may be able to provide even more comprehensive protection against electrical fires. Consumer education plays a vital role in promoting the adoption of AFCI technology. Many consumers are not aware of the dangers of arc faults or the benefits of AFCI protection. By educating consumers about these issues, it is possible to increase the demand for AFCIs and to help prevent electrical fires. Firstly, educational materials could be distributed through various channels, such as websites, brochures, and public service announcements. Secondly, training programs could be offered to electricians and other professionals who install and maintain electrical systems. Thirdly, incentives could be provided to consumers who install AFCIs in their homes. The development and adoption of AFCI technology have been a significant step forward in electrical safety. By detecting and interrupting dangerous arc faults, AFCIs can help to prevent electrical fires and protect lives and property. The NEC contains specific tables and guidelines to ensure proper installation and application of AFCIs. For example, Table 210.12 provides a detailed list of the areas and dwelling units where AFCI protection is required. This table specifies the types of rooms and areas that must be protected by AFCIs, such as bedrooms, living rooms, and dining rooms. The NEC also includes guidelines on the selection of AFCIs. It specifies the types of AFCIs that are suitable for different applications, such as branch or combination type AFCIs and outlet branch circuit type AFCIs. The NEC also provides guidance on the installation of AFCIs. It specifies the proper wiring methods, grounding requirements, and overcurrent protection requirements for AFCI circuits. These guidelines help to ensure that AFCIs are installed correctly and function properly. The NEC requires that AFCIs be tested upon installation and periodically thereafter. This testing is essential to verify that the AFCIs are working correctly and are providing the intended protection. The NEC also addresses the issue of nuisance tripping. Nuisance tripping occurs when an AFCI trips unnecessarily, even though there is no actual arc fault. The NEC provides guidance on troubleshooting nuisance tripping and identifying potential causes. One common cause of nuisance tripping is electromagnetic interference, or EMI, from nearby electronic devices. The NEC also addresses the use of AFCIs in conjunction with other safety devices, such as ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs. AFCIs and GFCIs provide different types of protection, and they may be required in different areas of the home. The NEC specifies the requirements for both AFCIs and GFCIs in various locations. It is important to note that the NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated to reflect the latest advances in technology and safety practices. It is essential to consult the latest edition of the NEC to ensure that electrical installations are safe and compliant. The Electrical Safety Foundation promotes electrical safety awareness and education through various programs and initiatives. These programs aim to educate consumers, electricians, and other stakeholders about the importance of electrical safety and the steps they can take to prevent electrical fires and other electrical hazards. The SV provides a wealth of information and resources on electrical safety, including articles, videos, and interactive tools. These resources cover a wide range of topics, such as arc fault circuit interrupters or AFCIs, ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs, and safe wiring practices. The SV also conducts research on electrical safety issues and publishes reports and recommendations based on its findings. This research helps to inform the development of new safety standards and regulations. The AFCI works closely with other organizations, such as the National Fire Protection Association or NFPA and the Consumer Product Safety Commission or CPSC to promote electrical safety. These partnerships help to ensure that electrical safety messages reach a wide audience. The AFCI also offers training programs for electricians and other professionals who work with electrical systems. These programs provide hands-on training and instruction on the latest electrical safety practices. The AFCI is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about electrical safety. By promoting electrical safety awareness and education, the AFCI helps to prevent electrical fires and other electrical hazards. The use of social media is playing an increasing role in promoting electrical safety awareness. Social media platforms provide a powerful way to reach a large audience with important safety messages. The CPSC, AFCI, and other organizations are using social media to share information about electrical safety hazards and how to prevent them. Social media can also be used to dispel myths about electrical safety. For example, there is a common misconception that AFCIs are not necessary in homes with new wiring. Social media can be used to educate consumers about the importance of AFCIs in all homes, regardless of the age of the wiring. Social media can also be used to promote electrical safety events, such as workshops and training sessions. These events provide an opportunity for consumers and electricians to learn more about electrical safety and to ask questions of experts. The use of social media is an effective way to reach a large audience with important electrical safety messages. By using social media strategically, it is possible to raise awareness of electrical safety hazards and to help prevent electrical fires and other electrical accidents. The technological advancements in AFCI technology are continuously improving the performance and reliability of these devices. One recent advancement is the development of smart AFCIs. Smart AFCIs are equipped with sensors that can detect a wider range of arc fault signatures. This allows them to detect arc faults more accurately and to reduce the risk of nuisance tripping. Smart AFCIs can also communicate with other smart devices in the home, such as smart thermostats and smart lighting systems. This allows them to provide more comprehensive protection against electrical hazards. Another advancement is the development of self-testing AFCIs. Self-testing AFCIs automatically test themselves on a regular basis to ensure that they are functioning properly. If a self-testing AFCI detects a problem, it will alert the homeowner. This helps to ensure that AFCIs are always providing the intended protection. Another advancement is the development of surge protective AFCIs. Surge protective AFCIs combine the functions of an AFCI and a surge protector. This provides protection against both arc faults and power surges. Surge protective AFCIs are particularly useful in areas that are prone to lightning strikes. The technological advancements in AFCI technology are making these devices more effective, reliable, and convenient. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that AFCIs will become even more sophisticated and more affordable. The cost-benefit analysis of AFCI protection shows that the benefits of installing AFCIs far outweigh the costs. The cost of installing AFCIs is relatively low compared to the potential cost of an electrical fire. Electrical fires can cause serious injuries, death, and property damage. The cost of these losses can be significant. AFCIs can help to prevent electrical fires, which can save lives and prevent property damage. Studies have shown that AFCIs can significantly reduce the number of electrical fires. The benefits of AFCI protection are not limited to the prevention of electrical fires. AFCIs can also help to protect against electrical shock. Electrical shock can cause serious injuries and even death. AFCIs can help to prevent electrical shock by quickly shutting off the power to a circuit when an arc fault is detected. The cost of installing AFCIs is a one-time cost, while the benefits of AFCI protection are ongoing. AFCIs can provide protection against electrical fires and electrical shock for the life of the electrical system. The cost-benefit analysis of AFCI protection shows that it is a wise investment. The benefits of installing AFCIs far outweigh the costs.